to show you how to create smooth stick figure animations right from your phone. No fancy gear, just your creativity and a screen. Let's dive in.
So to start, we're going to generate the audio we're going to use, and we're going to use an AI called TTSO. The link to this will be in the description box. Here you're going to add your conversation, click on the add conversation and enter the text that you want to generate a voice to. Over here, select HD quality and voice. There is Ash, and Ash is enthusiastic, energetic, and lively. Let's play a sample.
Hey, I'm Ash. Always around to back you up whenever.
So realistic, it does not sound like AI, it sounds like real humans, and they have countless numbers. And you can also decide to, this is a template, but you can select the gender here. If I want a male, I select male, and then age, I select young or middle age, whichever one you want. And then here I can select from any part of the world, basically. And let me select female since I'm female. And then in country, let me select American. So these are the three options that fit the description I put into it. You can click on my voice and add your own voice so that you can always generate voices that sounds like yours. So you don't have to actually create your own audio since you already put your voice in. And I think this is wonderful for efficiency. So if you include your voice in it, just click on create a new voice, then click on professional voice cloning, and then say talk for 1 minute, and it will generate the voice for you. But we don't want to do that. So now I'm going to put my text here, paste, and then over here I'm going to select the voice. I'm going to go to favorite and select verse, and then click on this icon here. And look, it doesn't even take up to a second. So we're going to go to history to listen to the voice created. So now we're going to click on this icon to download it. Next, in Canva, we're going to start a project. To do that, you're going to go to video, choose your preferred landscape. I'm going to choose this landscape since I'm uploading it on YouTube. Yes, this is good. Next step is to upload the downloaded audio from TTSO. So we're going to go to audio, and in audio here, and click on upload audio, and then click on upload files. Now I've uploaded the audio I generated from TTSO, so we're going to click on it. And yeah, so now the audio is here, and as you can see, the video is 5 seconds and the audio is actually 22 seconds. So I have to extend this video to be able to accommodate the audio I'm going to add, to be able to accommodate the audio that I have added. Perfect. So if your audio is 30 seconds, you have to extend the video up to 30 seconds or more so that it can accommodate the audio you're going to upload to it. So now for the next step, we're going to go to elements, and we are going to type white background. So these are the backgrounds they have. We're going to choose a simple non-distracting background. I think this works. Let me choose this one. I think I like this one. It gives like a paper feel to it. Yeah, I like this one. But you can select any one you prefer. It doesn't matter. And now we're going to drag this image to the whole frame. Oh, it's actually in the whole frame. Thank God for that. So now we are going to play this video, stop it at the end of each sentence, and cut at that part. Watch how I do it.
In my last video, I showed you how to create stick figure animations.
Click on split, play again.
I showed you how to create stick figure animations.
Pause, split, play again.
I showed you how to create stick figure animations using a laptop.
Pause and split, play again.
And someone asked if I could do a phone version.
Keep going, and you're going to see why we are doing that later. So I'm going to hurriedly do the rest now, and we can continue with the next step. So now that we are done with that, we are going to go to element to search for the stick figure we are going to use. And my preferred one is from an artist called Zdenek Sas. So now we are going to type at Zdenek Sasek, and all these stick figures would show. So what we are going to do is to listen to each clip and figure out which search word we are going to use to search for the stick figure.
In my last video, I showed
So the first sentence was, in my last video I showed you how to. So I'm going to search for video all, and now all the options are here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to select this one and expand it.
in my last video.
Okay, the next one, I'm going to go back to elements. Is it the next sec? I'm going to search for show. I think I like this one. It says you can do it.
In my last video, I showed you how to create stick figure animations using a laptop.
I think this is too long. I would like to split it at.
You how to create stick figure animation.
So at animation, I'm going to split it. In layers, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to delete it and replace it with laptop, with something else. Let me see, the laptop. Yeah, I think this one goes, but the thing is, you can just play around with it and select what you want. So that's how you keep on doing it. You go on.
In my last video, I showed you how to create stick figure animations using a laptop. And someone asked if I could do a phone version. Someone asked if
I'd like to split this part as well and go to, I just search for the keywords that they said and see if there are, and see if there are options for it. So yeah, I'm going to select this. I think I like this one. And then in this box, I want to put a phone in it. I don't like this one anymore. I'm going to use this one instead. It looks more like when someone is asking if you can use it on the phone. And that's how you keep going. You listen to the audio and then search for the keywords of the audio or something similar to that. So for each clip, you listen and then you add an element that aligns with the sentence. So you keep on doing that until you get to the end of the clip, and then you play it and see if you want to make changes to it.
in my last video, I showed you how to create stick figure animations using a laptop. And someone asked if I could do a phone version.
Also, you can add more than one element in one clip, as you can see here.
Smooth stick figure animation.
Do you see how the three appeared? All you just need to do is to add the three elements and then click on each of them. You don't need to make any changes to the first stick figure you want to appear, but to the second one you have to make changes to it so you can. So this was how it initially was. Everything was on the same line, so you can see everything was on the same line if you click on it. So all I did was to ensure that the one I want to appear first, I don't make any changes to it, and then the rest of them I adjust it accordingly.
Create smooth stick figure animations right from your phone.
Now here is the result.
In my last video, I showed you how to create stick figure animations using a laptop. And someone asked if I could do a phone version. So in this video, I've got you covered. It's actually super easy to do. And I'll be using Canva to show you how to create smooth stick figure animations right from your phone. No fancy gear, just your creativity and a screen.
Now you know how to create engaging stick figure animations. If you're looking to take your projects further, Canva's video editor is a great tool for editing and refining your videos seamlessly. To get started, click here.